Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to trade on Gate.io and what is copy trading on Gate.io. Here on the copy trading with more than 1 million active strategies and around 1 lakh copy, so it is worth to copy someone else's strategy. In my opinion, there are 3 reasons why you should not copy someone else's strategy, and why I think it's better to create your own custom strategy and let the other people copy your strategy. It will also execute a couple of trades in front of your eyes in this video. But before we dive into copy trading, and I will show you a couple of trades when I trade in front of your eyes on Gate.io. If you are new on this platform, click the link in the video description to join Gate.io, because Gate.io is a cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy or sell cryptocurrency. So when you click on the link, you will land on the Gate.io registration page, where it will be enabled for all the bonuses when you use my referral ID. Now let's start talking about copy trading, and I want to have an open discussion with you. But now I want to give you 3 reasons why I personally think there are better ways to make money with the copy trading, and if you want to use it, I think it's better to create your new strategy, so the other people will be able to copy instead of you copying other people. There are 2 options to use copy trading or get. You can copy someone else's strategy. Let me show you. Here you will click here and you would execute the same trades that they do. Second, you can create their own strategy and let the other people copy that. So very simple, you either copy someone else's strategy or others copy your strategy. The first reason why I don't recommend copy trading is that you need to pay a fee if you make profit. It says here 5% of profit earned is credited to the strategy provider when a copy strategy ends. So for example, if you make $10,000 profit, they will take 5% of the profit, so they will take $500. Now if you would make profit yourself doing your own trading, as I do here on the Gate.io with trading and spot trading section, so I will do in front of your eyes, so don't need to pay that 500 profit for somebody else. You can keep it full, or let's say that make a little bit of more profit. Let's say you make $20,000 profit. Now paying for 5%, it may not sound like a lot, but if you calculate, is actually $1,000 you need to pay for somebody else. So of course in the long term this will add up quite a lot, and you rather want to keep the money for yourself rather than pay somebody else for copying their rights. So that the first 3 seconds is that you give control of your finance to somebody else. And I recommend when you do trading, when you take care of your money or finance, you should have the control of them, nobody else. Because let me show you, for example here, when you take a look at many of those strategies and they are trading so-called coins. So here you can see, for example, Sand, Mana, and how do you know what is their background? Like they have here like a nickname, and many of these have just created a couple of months profitable only with a couple of $100. You can see not a lot of money. Here are you going to trust these people? What is the track record? Some random personal interest, maybe they are lucky, maybe they got lucky for a couple of months and their own profits. So I would much rather recommend that you have a control of your own finance, and then when you do the trading, you learn from past mistake and you always improve, so you can make all the time money more effectively as you keep on learning. But if you just copy someone else, you don't have the control and you are not going to learn. Well, the only thing that you will probably learn is not to copy someone else, but you are not going to learn much about the trading. Third person is that your position does not automatically close and everything. So let's say that you are copying some of these people here, and then let's say you are sleeping or you are laying down at the beach or whatever you are doing. So always make your own custom strategy and let the other people follow it. And I already made a lot of videos on Gate.io. On this platform you can buy or sell cryptocurrency, you can get new tokens, and you can earn daily profits on spot trading, future tradings and margin trading. So the link is available in the video description, so must check it out. And that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.